So I'm going to walk you through a quick demo here of our AI-powered chat assistants, and I've got a couple of examples here I want to show you. The first one is right here on our home site, anabots.ai, and this is John Connor. And John Connor is specifically designed to do two things really well. Number one, answer questions about Anabots, and number two, get you booked on a call to talk to us about Anabots to see how or if it might work for your business. So you notice here, I went ahead and asked the first question, hey, what is Anabots? You notice, hey, Anabots is a company that creates custom AI assistants. These tools can help your business by automating tasks like closing sales, booking appointments, handling customer support, answering questions. Are you interested in exploring how this can help your business? Okay, so it's answering questions about Anabots and trying to see if we can get booked on a call. So I'm going to say maybe, but what are the costs? Now, we're going to actually update this, but I want to share, I want you to pay attention to how long it takes for John Connor to answer. You notice that happened within about 5 seconds. The average response time for most businesses is actually 47 hours, if you can believe that. But our average response time is less than 9 seconds. And speed delete is a real thing. If you can get back to your customers who have inquiries within 1 minute, then you have a 391% higher chance of converting business with them. And so an AI chat on your website, on your social media, on your SMS, and on your Google My Business can dramatically increase the amount of conversions that you have with the existing leads that are already coming in and they're already asking about your business and potentially doing business with you. So you don't have to spend more money on your advertising. You don't have to go and chase down a bunch of leads that opted in and then you never got a hold of them. If you can reach them within 1 minute, you are immediately, automatically 4xing your chance of closing that business. And that's pretty cool. So you'll notice here it's answered the question. The costs vary depending on the tasks you want to automate, et cetera, et cetera. Now, this is a little bit of an outdated answer, and we need to update this because we are actually providing full transparent pricing right there on the page. And it still does vary. I mean, it's still the truth, but we're going to update that to eventually say, hey, it depends on your usage, but here's a range of what you might expect to pay depending on what kind of business you're running and what your output is. Okay, so the other thing I wanted to share with you is really quick. We like to give it a little bit of a personality. And we do that for everything. We give everything, every AI chat that we build, we give it a name, we give it a face, and then we give it a little bit of a personality. And obviously, John Connor, the favorite movie that he has is Terminator 2 Judgment Day, best movie ever. Do you want me to quote a line from it? And he loves doing this. So we actually fed in the entire script of Terminator 2, one of the most useless tests that you can do for an AI chatbot. But here it is, hasta la vista, baby. And then he's right back to his job. Got any more questions about Anabots or want to book a call to discuss how AI can help your business? And then if you say yes to that, then he's either going to go ahead and book the call by getting your information, or potentially you can have it get a calendar link or something like that, and you can send the calendar link and have somebody book directly. And so it's not just us. We have several customers already. I want to show you just a quick array. We have a marketing agency, Lead by Example Marketing, that's using our website. And this is Maddie. We have a mastermind for elite men, entrepreneurs, who is using Anabots on there. And this is Billy. And then we have an indoor playground for little kids' birthday parties, like high-end $5,000-$6,000 birthday parties. They're using our service. And then we also have a karate studio that's using our service and helping with enrollments. And so there's all kinds of different places that you can use AI chat on your website. And again, you can have it text your phone number, your business phone directly. We can also do missed call text back. Which basically, if somebody does call you and you don't answer, then the AI can pick up and send them a text saying, hey, I'm sorry I missed you. What's going on? How can I help? And then it's going to engage them in a conversation and either close the sale for you or get you booked back on a call so that you can continue that conversation and potentially close the deal. But the most important thing that AI chat does for you oh, also Google My Business. And so if somebody's looking you up on Google, if you happen to be paying for Google ads or something like that, and they find your maps listing, if they send you a message, your AI can respond within 9 seconds. And that's something that humans just typically cannot do. But the point here is speed to lead. Remember, if you're bringing in 10 leads in the door and you're only closing one of them, if you've got speed to lead and you can respond to those leads within 1 minute, which AI can do and most humans can't, then you could potentially close four of those 10 instead of one of those 10. And so, depending on how much your leads are worth to you, that's something really seriously worth considering. And so, AI chat is actually very inexpensive. We typically charge a setup fee for this, but we sometimes run specials on that. And this is no commitment, it's month to month. We have world-class support. We are building probably the best AI chat assistants in the industry right now because we're custom building those. I've personally been building sales teams for small business for almost 20 years. And so we're using those skills that I've developed by taking tens of thousands of sales calls and we're baking that into our AI assistants so that you're having a great experience and your customers having a great experience and they feel better connected to you. And when they're ready to do business, boom, you're right there answering their questions somewhere between 5 and 9 seconds every single time. So if that's interesting to you, you can go to anabots.ai and check out John Connor, ask him some questions, read down the page here. We got a lot of great information. If you want to check that out, we've got a couple of different videos that you can watch. And we've got an FAQ. So if you have any questions there, and then you can see our pricing as well. So, all right. Hey, that's all I got for you for now.